Good morning, everyone. I did not sleep. I have to admit, I got major anxiety middle of the night. I kept thinking about my hair being dyed. I know there's worse problems going on in the world, but I haven't had my hair dyed since, I don't know, maybe like 7 or 6 years. I've always had this hair colour, different variations of it, but nevertheless, this hair colour. My hair's been kind of weird. But it's my favourite. It's my like Beyonce honey blonde. But I just feel like sometimes the blonde's a bit of upkeep and I have to keep toning it. So I'm going to try going ginger to see if it's a more subtle way to keep up a hair colour, even though actually I feel like roots growing into blonde hair or light brown hair is fine, but with ginger you can really tell. Anyway, I'm going to be with the amazing Alisha Dobson, who's at BLEACH Brixton. She dyed my hair like a year ago, and I have had another dye job since then, but she is just been my go-to, and we have the same hair type and texture, and she does the hair of like Jessie J and Lewis Hamilton, which is not applicable here, but anyway. She's just amazing, and I feel like she really gets, you know, how to add dimension and stuff, and Bleach are so great with non-conformational colours. So I'm gonna take you along with me. I've never filmed like in a hair salon before, but now I have. I'm gonna take you along with me. The sound will probably be off because of all the hair dryers going, but you can see the transformation. I'm nervous, but I'm excited. I'm in the best hands, I know it. Okay, I gotta go.
Yeah, so I'm almost doing like ombre bits of the Just Like Honey. To do your pics.
Yeah, it looks really. Look how different on camera it looks. It's like so dingy.
Yeah. But even on mine, as I went to go closer, it almost just went back to being a balayage. I was like,
It looks very red on camera, but
Red?
I'm not talking to you, dude. It looks more red on camera.
In the light.
I'm filming.
Oh, you're right. Oh shit. I thought you were talking to me.
I was like, I'm not talking to you, dude.
No, what's going on?
I think it's because you're in the light. So it looks very red on camera, but in real life it's a bit more tawny. Alisha kept calling my kind of mood board skin colour copper, or like skin tone copper, where it's meant to be a natural progression on from your skin tone. So if you had deeper skin than I do, you'd go for a little bit of a deeper copper, but as it lightens up, it will get like more lighter. I don't know, it will get back to blonde eventually in like 6 washes or so. But Alisha did a mix of, first she blended my highlights in with my roots and added a few micro highlights around the front. The hair just wants to fall over everywhere. A few micro highlights around the front, and then she mixed 2 bowls, one with just like honey, super cool colour, and one with the copper, super cool colour. We didn't use the copper toner, but this is more temporary than that. And she literally took a section by section and had one as a lighter copper and one as a darker copper. So it's just a really nice blended effect. And I didn't have to go too far into my root because I didn't want to bleach my roots, because when this does fade to blonde, I still want a balayage look. So yes, I will keep documenting as it lightens up, I guess. But it's cool. I feel like Mary Jane.